Sorry about that. The device that I'm using to record myself does not allow me to record my entire presentation at one time because it does not have enough memory and there's nothing on here that I can delete. So I'm having to split this up into two videos. So, I remember not fully getting through demographics, so I'm going to start with that. They talked about people working at an office-type workstation are part of their demographic because, like I mentioned earlier, it's nicer to be able to make your own cup of coffee instead of drinking coffee out of a pot that's probably been sitting there all day. They are male and female coffee drinkers, typically between the ages of 25 and 55, to allow for the expense of these machines. As far as technology goes, their View brewing system has a colored touchscreen, which I mentioned earlier, that none of the other models have, and that I myself have never seen on a coffee machine before, let alone a touchscreen, let alone a colored one. This allows you to choose the strength or the brew strength, the size of the cup of coffee that you'd like to have, so kind of ranges from small, medium to large. You can do all of that using this touch screen. And then as far as they call them commercial View packs, which are the same as a K-Cup pack, which I explained earlier as the individual little packages. They actually now come with an identification tag that is read by the View brewing system so that it can apply the optimum recipe for your beverage. So it reads, the difference between whether it's coffee, hot cocoa, or tea, or whatever you're making. The machine reads it right off of the little package. And those are just a couple of examples of the advancement that they've had lately in technology by creating this new brewing system. For my analysis, I wasn't really sure what this entailed, so I just thought I would talk about what I noticed and what I liked about what I've researched. I really like that they do live demonstrations. They don't just post the videos on their website. They're actually going to arenas and stuff and doing stadiums and doing live demonstrations for people. I didn't know that they did that, so that was something totally new to me when I researched this on their website. I found this out. I think that since these brewing systems are more advanced, especially this one, than other brewing systems I've seen, I think more people will be willing to use them and pay the money that these cost when they can see how easily it is to learn how to use them and how to clean them and everything, because it's a lot easier when someone tells you and teaches you how to do something as opposed to, buying a product and trying to figure out how to use it yourself and reading directions and all that. I also like the invention of the less expensive version of the View. I think that shows that Keurig is really paying attention to multiple types of customers and not just focusing on, the higher end buyers. I think that they're going to attract more buyers that way because people are going to notice that they are also being conscious of the price-conscious buyers who are not going to want to spend a fortune on a coffee machine, and I really like that. For my recommendation, I personally think that Keurig is on the right track. They obviously must be doing something right in their management department if they are the #1 brewing system in North America. I think that's a pretty big deal. It's easy to see that they want to provide their customers with an excellent coffee brewing experience, fresh tasting coffee every time. They're also conscious of the buyers that might not want to spend a lot of money on a really special model and are simplifying the model to allow those customers to experience these benefits as well. I think they're reaching their customers very effectively and giving them what they want to see. I think Keurig's marketing implementation is perfect, and I would keep doing what they're doing. If I had to add anything, I think it would kind of be cool if they sent out surveys to their customers, or maybe at every Keurig machine that they sell, there's a little survey on the inside that allows the customer to give their feedback, with paid postage and everything, so that they can send it back to the company, and the company can see firsthand what people like about their machines, maybe what people think they should change, or what would make it easier, or if there's any glitches with these machines. Touchscreen is kind of a big technology thing, so I think that would help a little. But other than that, I honestly think that they're doing a fabulous job, and I would keep going right down the track that they're going. So thank you for watching my presentation. Sorry for the having to watch two, but thank you.